Hey there, friends. Welcome to Factual Cuts, which provides facts in flash through cutting the clutter. Today, we're on an exhilarating ride through India's Digital Personal Data Protection Act 2023. Within 5 minutes we'll be discussing the main highlights and overall summary of this act. India's Digital Personal Data Protection Bill 2023 was approved by the President of India on 12th of August, then it became an act. It is also known as DPDP Act after its name. This is going to update the information technology, reasonable security practices and procedures and sensitive personal data or information rules 2011. The first and foremost thing that how this DPDP Act 2023 is going to affect us? We will be captain of our own data. You are in command. This bill puts you at the helm of your personal data ship. Just like navigating through India's bustling markets, you decide where your data explodes. Data minimalism, using only required data, nothing else. Less chai, more flavor. The bill promotes companies to keep only the data masala they need. Imagine a virtual chai stall serving only your favorite flavors, no extra baggage. Gee, can I use your data? The Bollywood approval scene. Organizations need your desi thumbs up before touching your data. It's like inviting someone to join your dance troupe you choose who's in sync with your moves. It's like friend giving consent. Your digital dhakad guard. Data protection heroes, DPHs, safeguarding your data fortress. Just like a trusted local guide showing you the hidden gems, DPHs ensure your data doesn't get lost in the digital clutter. DPO as a guardian, data protection officer acts as an independent advocate for the proper care and use of customers' information. Alert notification on data trespass. Digital firecracker, the bill insists on rapid notifications for data breaches. Picture an alarm ringing in your phone, warning you before any data dhamaka unfolds. Your data tour across international borders. That is Yatra. The bill watches over your data as it roams the digital map. Imagine your data as a seasoned traveler, with a monitoring station at every digital checkpoint. In other words, data legitimacy check. Tune your data ka sur. Data session. Correct mix-ups and remix your digital data list. It's like editing a Bollywood movie script, your data's blockbuster version, no retakes needed. Now for overall insight about the DPDP Act, what it includes, on which principles it is based, individual rights and the risks involved are as following. Key principles. 1. Consented, transparent use. Point 2. Purpose limitation. Point 3. Data minimization. Point 4. Data accuracy. Point 5. Storage limitation. Point 6. Reasonable security safeguards. Point 7. Accountability. Innovative features, written in plain language with clear illustrations. Users, she, instead of he, to acknowledging women in lawmaking. SARAL simple, accessible, rational, and actionable law. Individual rights. Right to access information about personal data processes. Right to correct and erase data. Right to grievance redressal. Right to nominate a representative in case of death or incapacity. Issues and risk involved. 1. Too much power for government. Imagine the government being able to see your private messages and conversations without clear rules. That might happen with this bill. 2. Control over data board. The group overseeing data protection might be chosen by the government, which could make it influenced by the government's wishes, not truly independent. 3. Unclear rules for data use. The bill doesn't say exactly when the government can use our data to stop crimes. This could mean they use it more than they should. 4. Risk of misusing rules. The bill could let the government gather information on people just for speaking out against them. This might limit our right to express our thoughts. 5. No watchdog from Parliament. There's no rule that makes the government ask others before they gather our data. This could mean they do it without anyone checking if it's fair. 6. Harm to freedom and fairness. If the bill allows the government to find potential offenders, they could call anyone they want a potential criminal, even without proof. This might lead to unfair arrests and less freedom to talk openly. 7. Threat to information rights. We might not be able to ask the government about their data gathering like we could before. This could make it harder to know what they're doing with our information. 8. Data board as a puppet. The group in charge of protecting our data might be made up of people who listen more to the government than to us. This could mean our data isn't as safe as it should be. What do you think about this digital personal data protection bill? Feel free to share your views in comment section below and suggestions are most welcomed. Don't miss any factual information. Like, share, and subscribe to join me on Factual Cuts, Facts in Flash.